We have several selection tools in this software. First is very simple. You can just click select, and you can see the select display. You can see the object that is selected, the ghost of that behind the object. If you want to select multi-object, you can hold in Control or Shift to deselect that one, like Windows. You can with click and drag select the part that you selected here, or you can select with holding Control from this tree, or holding Shift to select from here to here. Another selection is this. You can select a part, it means one part. You can select connected mesh. You can see just no all body. You can see, okay, select this light. You can see just selected that because it's a connection object. This part is connecting, this part is like this. But if you select a part, it select whole body. So the connected mesh is nice. This is based on your design in your 3D software. Select a patch, select with these boundaries, you can see. Interesting. If you need, you can work to a specific area, select patch, and select polygon. If you activate mesh, you can see you can select individual polygon here. So part is better in this situation. You can turn off that. For example, if you want to just select these parts, I think select connected, holding Control to select all of them, and then you can right click and see its settings, interfaces, separate selection, separate selection. Now we have another object here that we can right click and retessellate or anything that you want. So it's better to doing these such things in your own software, but if you want, you can do it here. So select a part. Also select a patch, select a part. Also, we have a lots of selection. We have a selection tool here in this part. If you select that, you can see it's a selection tool. The box will become, and you can move it. You can see it. You can change the position X, Y, Z. You can change the size of that. It's very interesting. You can see this box. If touch anything, that thing will be selected. Boom, boom. You can see. You can select everything object here. Selection preview, you can see selection preview. You can see it's, for example, selected here. And what was that? Strictly included, it means if the object is completely in the box, then it will be select. But we want to just simple touch, that will select. This kind of selection tool is very useful in a big scene. And then you have to select it to select object here from tree. And we have a specific selection tool here. You can select menu here, select all, invert selection, clear selection, isolate, select by everything, that select by hidden, select by visible, select by material, properties, maximum size, anything that you want, you can select by that.